In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for attending. Whether you're organizing an event, collecting feedback, or just want to streamline attendance, Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool to help you manage these tasks efficiently. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first want to head over to your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing all Microsoft services, including Microsoft Forms. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here is where you'll find everything you need to begin creating and managing your forms. Next, take a look at the app launcher, typically located in the top left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a list of available applications. It's like your own personal toolkit, showing all the apps at your disposal. From the list, make sure you click on More Apps. This will expand your options and include many other Microsoft applications that aren't immediately visible. Among these expanded options, find and click on Forms. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're inside Microsoft Forms, you'll have a couple of choices. If you're feeling creative and want to start from scratch, you can click on New Form. This option allows you to build your form tailored to your specific needs. Here, you have the freedom to design a custom form that perfectly matches what you're aiming to gather. However, if you're looking to save some time or need a little inspiration, there is the Template Gallery option. It's a great resource if you want to start with a pre-built setup. Clicking here will present you with various templates to choose from. You can find templates tailored for different purposes, such as event registrations, feedback forms, and much more. After selecting a template that fits your needs, the next step is to customize it. This is where you can add questions, change the look and feel, and alter sections to better suit your requirements. Customization is key because it allows you to make the form truly your own and ensure it captures exactly the information you need. You can modify text, images, and even add branching logic to streamline the user's journey and make the experience as user-friendly as possible. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly create, edit, and deploy forms using Microsoft Forms. It's a simple yet effective tool that makes gathering data and managing attendees a breeze. Now, you're ready to take your organizing skills to the next level with Microsoft Forms. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating!